In this quick demo, we will integrate FortiWeb with FortiGate and use automation stitches to automatically block on FortiGate further requests originating from malicious IPs that were detected by FortiWeb. This is the user scenario. An application encounters an SQL injection attack from a specific IP address. The application is protected by a FortiGate device positioned in front of FortiWeb. To prevent further requests from the same IP address at the initial point of entry, the company plans to send threat feeds to FortiGate's IP ban list upon detecting malicious IP addresses. By default, FortiGate will block this IP address for 10 minutes. We will set up triggers within FortiWeb by detecting repeated attacks and recorders its source IP address in the attack logs. We will set up some actions within the FortiWeb, so let's get started. For step 1, create a SQL log trigger within Security Fabric Automation and create Automation Trigger. Enter a name and select the necessary steps within the FortiWeb logs. Step 2 is to create an IP ban action. Navigate to System Admin Profiles and create a new admin profile and create the necessary permissions to the profile. Once created, follow the configuration from the video. Step 3 is to create a Microsoft Team notification action within Security Fabric Automation and create Automation Action. This next step is to create Jira notification actions and follow the video steps to create the action. Step 5 involves creating a stitch and strongly suggests following the step-by-step configurations within the video. The last step is to test and validate that the Teams and Jira notifications that we recently created works when a stitch occurs.